How to change Reddit app language. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Reddit app language, so keep watching. The first thing we do is we go to the app and you will find the home page. We don't need this page. Now you click on the top corner on your avatar like this, and after that you go down to settings, and now go to language, and you will have many language: Dutch, English, Espanol, French, Italiano, Portuguese, and that's it. You choose the language that you want and it will change. That's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.